What's going on, everybody? It's Julio here, back with another Google Ad account review. Today, we're going to be reviewing a Google Ad account for a roadside assistance company that offers mobile tire replacement and battery replacement services somewhere in North Carolina. This customer, we were able to generate 516 calls in just under 30 days for a total cost per conversion of like $7.58. So let's get into the ad account and see what that looks like. So this was the ad account. In 30 days, we were able to get 1,020 something clicks. Our ad was shown 15,200 times. That means some 15,000 people scrolled through Google and saw this ad. And then the average cost per click, what we paid every time somebody touched that ad, was $3.76, bringing the total cost of the ads to $3,860, which is almost $4,000, which is pretty good amount to be investing into ads. Hopefully this customer made back between $20,000 and $30,000 in revenue. Haven't talked to them yet, so curious to what those numbers look like. But now we're going to look at the call logs and see how many calls they actually received from this amount of spending. 987 total calls. So this number accounts for all of the calls that the client received or made during this time. So using CallRail, you can make outbound dialing as well as receive inbound calls. So these is reflecting all of the calls that he received, both outbound and inbound, both multiple callers and first-time callers. So 987 calls. That's a lot of calls for just 4,000 bucks. But the real number that we're looking for is the total number of unique phone calls or people that called the business for the very first time, because that's the number that accounts for the actual customers that were there. So 516 first-time callers, and the total investment for this period was 3,800 and something. So 3,800 divided by 516, we get around $7.36 a phone call, which is excellent in my opinion. Are you generating phone calls for $7.36 a call? If you're not and you're in North Carolina, there might be something that you might be missing with your campaigns. And here at Roadside Genius, this is what we dedicate ourselves to do, is making sure that your money is being spent correctly in these marketing campaigns. So if you're interested in learning more about what we do or some of the services that we offer, check us out on our website, roadsidegenius.com. You can learn a lot about getting into the business from that website. If you want to learn a lot about our services, click on that second link, roadsidegeniusmarketing.com. That should take you directly to our website that talks about this service right here that this customer actually purchased. And then if you're somebody who's looking to buy roadside leads for your business, no funny business, just straight cold cash calls, go ahead and sign up for Roadside Leads. There you can buy your first 20 leads for 320 bucks. So thanks for watching. If you have a question about any of this stuff, feel free to book a call with me. Phone calls are free. Have a great day.